Hello everyone, and a very warm welcome to my subscribers. As always, this is a review of the Spigen case for the Z Fold 8. Let's jump in. So this model is the Spigen Slim Armor Pro S for the Z Fold 8. Let's see what are the key characteristics. It's a rubbery case, so in the box you have the case, you have extra stickers, and you have a QR code for the installation instructions. So pretty minimal, but the case is what it's all about. Now, this case has a nice matte rubbery feel to it, and it also has a support stand, so that way you can put your device when you're eating on a train, on the plane, whatever, and that way it's easy to go and consume your media on the go. This is great. It's definitely a hefty case. It feels very premium. It's rubbery through and through. It has a nice little cache here to remove any debris on the side, on the hinge of the phone. So that is a nice plus point. There are bonding stickers here all around the case. And this case is, so you'll have your extra stickers in case you're going to remove and put the phone back in and out. You can use those extra stickers that they have provided. Although this is going to be, I believe, a very snug fit. Now, the way you want to install this is you want to clean and have a nice clean phone all around. Make sure there's no debris here. And you want to start off with the phone like so. You open it like that. You open the case also like that. And you just apply it like so onto it, and then you just snap it into place like so. So just go there, take your time, no need to rush, just clip it on like so, and there you go. There you have it. Let's have a look here on the hinge mechanism. There you go. Nice, sturdy finish, slick touch to the feel, and just a very nice case. And right here with this metallic stand that you have, it also acts as an optimizer for the magnetic charging here. Because of the metallic cutout here, it will give you a better charging capability wirelessly. So that's great. This is how it would look on your phone. So there you go. There you go. Voila, it's a nice case, sturdy, and definitely I would recommend you getting a case. This is an expensive device. You don't want to be, cracking the screen or the screens of the device, so definitely protect your device. I got, just as a FYI, because in case you haven't seen my video of the unboxing of the Z Fold 8, I got this free case with Samsung for my pre-order. This is a very simple plastic back case, and it's only for the back side of the phone. There's no protection on the phone. This is the one that comes from Samsung. I just get a proper case. That's what I would recommend you. And I'm not affiliated with Spigen in any way. I just have always used their cases with my S22, 24 Ultra, my Z Fold 7, and now the Z Fold 8. Very, very sturdy case. Very nice. So there you have it. Quick review. So if you have any questions, feel free to put them into the comment section and I will reply if I can. Thanks a lot for watching, guys. I'll catch you in the next one. Take care.